Hi everybody, welcome to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. This is another Wednesday video. I hope that you will enjoy this one. Today I will be doing peppers like Larry D for Larry D, thanks and more. Okay, so I am going to be consuming hot Jamaican pepper. Hot Jamaican, but this is diluted. So I wouldn't really want to consume this. This is like cheating. Right? I don't know if Larry actually, consume real hot pepper. So I'm going to be picking a pepper from a Jamaican mango tree, right? So pick a pepper from a Jamaican mango tree. So I am actually going to consume that pepper. Hopefully everything is okay. My phone is on speed dial, should in case they need an ambulance. And I have ice should in case I'm overheating. So, how should I tell you a story first? Okay. I don't know why I put myself in these situations. But anyway, let's get to it. Alright, here we go.
All of it, all of it.
Join me next time I think I need a break. Peace out.